So hello guys, welcome back to the another video of the Java tutorial series. So today we'll be discussing about while loops in Java. So what are the while loops? While loop is used to iterate a part of the program repeatedly until the specified boolean condition is true. So as soon as the boolean condition becomes false, the loop get automatically stops. Okay, and it is recommended that to use the while loop when we don't know how much iteration we are going to perform in that loop. Okay, so here you can see the syntax of the while loop. While is the keyword which is used, and the condition is specified inside this circular brackets, and inside those curly braces we will write the code which we have to execute inside the while loop. Okay, and after that incrementing decrementing statement should be written so that each time the condition should be checked. Okay, so now this is the flow of while loop. So first program execution comes and condition is checked. Whether if the condition is false, loop gets terminated, and if the condition is true, then statement inside the loop gets executed, and again it goes for the checking the condition, and this loop will iterate time a number of times that we have declared. Okay, so let me just get into my IDE and we can check how while loop is working. Okay, so here I will create another Java class which is named as while loops. Sorry. Okay, let me increase the font size. I will get my main method, and okay, so first I will take simple example. Okay, so integer, let me take integer I is equals to 1, and then while is the keyword which I will use, and inside circular braces I will tell the condition that my I is less than equals to 10. Okay, and inside loop I will be printing the value of I. Okay, simply, and after that I will be incrementing the my value of the I. Okay, so this is the simple while loop where we are checking the whether i's value is less than equals to 10 or not. If that value is less than equals to 10, that loops this expression get evaluated as true, and loops get executed, and system .out.println will print the value of I on the console, and each time the value of I will be incremented. So for the first time when loop expression get checked, the value of I is 1. Here you can see. Okay, so 1 is less than 10. Yes, it will come inside the loop and it will print the value of I, that is 1, and it will after that it will increment the value of I by 1. So when next time the loop get when the expression get checked, the value of I is 2. 2 is less than 10. Yes, the it comes out inside the loop and it will print the value of I, that is equals to 2. So that it will print all those value of I until the expression it this expression evaluated as true. So let me just run this code so that we can get the output. So here we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is going to printed, and after that loop is terminated because the value of when after 10 the value of I becomes 11, and 11 is not less than 10, and this expression is evaluated as false, and it will terminate the loop. Okay, so let me just comment out this and I will tell you another example which is known as infinite loop. Okay, so I will declare one while loop, and inside that I will write on simply true. Okay, and I will just print infinitive loop. Okay, so here you can see this while loop will never execute never terminate. Because why? Because the expression inside this tells that it is always true. That because when I click on run, so here you can see infinitive loop is getting printed on the screen. So to exit from this, you just have to press Control C so that your code will be get stopped executing. And this, look at here how many times it is printing infinite loops. Okay, so this is one example of the infinite loops in Java. So you have to avoid this Okay, this kind of situation when you are coding. So that is pretty much about while loops. So in our upcoming videos we'll be talking about do while loops. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.